Much love, and I am Wayne Johnson with Doc and Queen Ministries. Got a short little message I want to share with you on today. Going to come from John chapter 10. It's actually one verse, but I'm going to read some verses up into that so you can kind of feel why I chose just this one verse. I'm going to start with verse 26 of John chapter 10. And it reads, "But you do not believe because you are not my sheep. My sheep listen to my voice. I know them, and they follow me. I give my sheep eternal life. They will never die, and no one can take them out of my hand. My Father is the one who gave them to me, and he is greater than all. No one can steal my sheep out of his hand." This is the verse that I really want you to hit, verse 30. "The Father and I are one." Now, I've been doing a lot of videos lately on oneness, and I am just beginning to understand, fully understand the importance of oneness. Now, I've been dealing with mostly married couples, but it can even be businesses, teams, etc., etc. But when you think about it, the easiest example is probably married couples, because early on in Genesis with Adam and Eve, and then there's other verses, but it's about this oneness. And why it's so important is because husband and wife come together to be one. And we see here that Jesus says the Father and I are one. And see, when you are one, that says that you have a common goal. You're working to a common goal, and the same for you is the same for them. Just the same way as it is for a husband and wife. We can see how difficult it is for us as husband and wife, because we're two separate entities with differences coming together to be one. But Jesus and the Father are one, and they are together. What we as married couples are to strive for. The Father and I are one, just like the husband and wife are supposed to be one. I hope that this has helped. This is just showing us the importance of oneness. It never is a point where Jesus operates outside of the Father. And so we as married couples, as teams, as businesses, as any affiliation that comes together to be an entity, we are to be as one, just like the Father and Jesus. Take care. God bless. Much love.